2002 Ford Mustang GT. This car originally had a spoiler, but somebody before us has actually filled the holes. We're going to be putting a carbon fiber GT spoiler from Carbon Driven on it today. If you're lucky enough, like us, that this is actually a deck lid that came with a spoiler, you can see right here that they just filled the holes. If you have a non-spoiler deck lid, you're going to have a little bit of a problem because this cutout, it was not there. So you may want to just, you'd have to cut all this plastic way to install a spoiler. Just something to know. So for us, with these holes just being filled, we took a pilot bit, we drilled right through the center, and we've got our tape laid up here so we can drill from the top now so we don't mess up the paint. And we'll go with we're going to use a 5/16 bit to drill from our pilot hole straight through. And once again, if you didn't have a spoiler deck like this, the recesses wouldn't be on the inside. You could probably carve that away and be okay inside. Basically what you would want to do is mark from your edge. You're going to take the dimensions off your spoiler. You're going to do some layout with your tape. You're going to lay out from your edge, hit your centers. Thankfully for us, we just had to drill through the old filled holes. Take it nice and slow so you don't chip the paint. Alright, we've got our holes drilled. We'll pull our tape off. I'm not sure how they filled this deck lid. Looks like they ground it up. Quite a bit of filling in there. So, see, we got a little bit of chipping there, not bad. It's going to be covered by the spoiler anyway. Wipe those off. Okay, once again, this is a carbon fiber, carbon driven spoiler, the GT series, I believe. You can see the factory spoilers would have studs on here. These have just got stainless hardware and nuts in them, so just got to hold it up there, line it up with your holes. Super tight. Snug them out. Okay, so these are the factory plugs that fill this hole. Just kind of decorative more than anything. Makes it look a little nicer. Pop those in. We were saying though, this is the main thing. If you have a non-spoiler trunk lid, it wouldn't have this cutout, wouldn't have this recess for everything, so you would have a bit of a problem getting through here. So that's one thing. If you're putting the spoiler on, make sure you look at your deck lid. They say if you're lucky like us and somebody's just wanted a non-spoiler car, that's what they had done to this one. So we just drilled it, but you would have to modify this and drill a few holes and make it work. So